Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can carrier unlock or network unlock your brand spanking new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, Z Flip 3? I don't flip it, no. But you're going to be able to use it on any network, any carrier worldwide. So show you? Okay, let's get straight into it. Alright, very straightforward. First things first, what you're going to need is the IMEI number. Again, that's the IMEI number. And there's two ways to get this. The first one is check the bottom of your box. So if you've still got your box on hand, check in the bottom of there. It'll have IMEI number 1 and IMEI number 2. It's the first one you're going to need. And the second way to get it is actually on the phone itself. For me, it's a lot easier because it's in front of you. I'm going to show you how to get that now. There we go. You want to go to your dialer. And in this dialer, you want to be typing *#06#. For my American friends, that's *#06#. When you do that, you'll actually get a pop-up showing you your IMEI number 1, your IMEI number 2. What you need is the top one, the IMEI 1. So write that down or just keep your phone there, put it to one side, because we're going to need that at the next stage, which we're going to jump over to theunlockingcompany.com right now. Okay, so here we are on the website, which is theunlockingcompany.com. Again, the link's down below if you want to check these guys out. Click on the manufacturer, which got a little drop down box. Obviously, we're doing Samsung today, so make sure you click Samsung from the list. Then you want to click the model. So we're doing the Galaxy Z Flip 3. So you want to scroll down. So there's quite a few. It's going to be at the bottom of the Galaxy ones. So it's a little bit further. And boom. As you can see, we've got the Galaxy Z Flip, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G, and the Galaxy Z Fold. So today we're doing this actual Z Flip 3 or Z Flip 3. Click that. And then you want to click on Unlock Now. And you're presented to this page. So as you can see, it's going to unlock the Samsung Galaxy Z or Z Flip 3 5G. You want to click what country you purchased it from. So if you're in America, click United States. So for me, obviously I'm going to click United Kingdom. And then you want to select your carrier. So in my case, I could click O2, T-Mobile, EE, etc. If you're in America, you want to select maybe Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, whoever you purchased your phone from and it's locked to, click them here. So as an example for myself, I could just click the EE network and then you want to click on next. Remember at the beginning of the video, I said to you, write down or keep your IMEI number. This is where you're going to need it. So as you can see here, it is the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. So you want to put in the IMEI number that I told you at the beginning of the video, put in your full name and the email address you want it sent to, and then the average delivery time, which is generally between 1 to 24 hours. At this point, you want to click Order Now, and you're brought to this page, which is the final page. So this is where you're going to confirm everything is 100% correct. So from the top, Galaxy Z Flip 3, correct. Network, whatever it's locked to, make sure the IMEI number is correct, the country that you purchased your phone from, your email address where you want it to go to, and obviously your full name. It'll tell you the actual unlock price. Again, average of 1 to 24 hours. You can then actually change it. So if you want it to be in different currencies, you can actually tell you what currency you want to convert it to. Pop in your card details, scroll all the way to the bottom, click Order Now, and wabam, you should receive an email from them with your unlock code. Now, once you've got this code, we're going to go to the next section where I'm going to show you how you use it. Welcome back to the phone. What you're going to need to have now is your SIM card and your SIM ejector. So this is going to be the SIM card for the new network. So again, as an example, if this is locked to AT&T in America and you want now to use it on T-Mobile, make sure you're going to be putting in your T-Mobile SIM card. If you're in England or any other country, you just make sure that this SIM card is your new network, okay? So I'm just going to stick these into my phone and we'll go to the next stage. So if you've rebooted your phone, you should have something that looks very similar to this. What I want you to do is check your emails and get the email from theunlockingcompany.com. That's going to have the unlock code you're going to require for this part. So get that email, have it at the side of you, tap into the box and you should get a little something like this. So this is where you're going to put your code in. So bang your code in, click the unlock button well, bam, you should get something saying network unlock successful. That's it. Your phone is now unlocked to any network in the whole entire world. Yeah, that's really how easy it actually is. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Any questions, you know what to do by now. Hit me with a comment down below. Please don't forget to smash that like button. It is very much appreciated. And go on, subscribe. Why? It's free. And while you're there, hit me up on Twitter at samjpullen. All my other social links are also down below as well for you. And once again, thank you for watching, and you'll see me, well, you might not see me, but you'll definitely hear me in my next video. Cheers everyone.